Hello, welcome to visit our website. Today, I'd like to introduce a low-noise constant current laser driver for you. The part number is ATLS100MA104. It features low noise, high speed, and high precision. The maximum output current is 100 mA. Current set accuracy is 0.5%. Temperature stability coefficient is 0.5%. The maximum current change with different loads is 0.7 mA. The output noise density is 94 nanoamp. The accumulated output noise is 620 nanoamp. When we input a small signal square wave, the output rise time is 60 nanoseconds. When we input a large signal square wave, the output rise time is 80 nanoseconds. As you can see, in this video, it shows the rise time of a small signal. This laser driver comes with a small size, and there are DIP and SMT packages available. If you want to know more about our products, you can visit our website www.analogtechnologies.com. Thank you.